Try not to get water on my phone. Woo. My boots are down there somewhere. They're below the water line. Not too bad, I guess. It's dark, obviously. It's like bottom steps covered with water. Guess it depends on where I stand, but it's not that bad. It's just the top of my boots. Blew my bush over. Broke that. Other than, the hurricane, it's going to get windier, and the rain direction keeps changing. But that's the only thing I have a light on. No, that's the best I'm going to do. I'm going in.